guys don't look dead for y'all for the first time. Y'all are seeing all of them. So the next one, like I said, it's a Mitzi one. It's a really fun one. It's a really fun one. I want to see everybody getting up. I want to see everybody dancing around with this one.
Oh my gosh.
Jacob, you ready? Let's have Mitzi tell us about dancing in the street.
Dancing in the street.